Hi, good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Enda.
Full name?
Aska Biakareja.
What are you doing? Do you draw something?
Yes.
Oh, you coloring of the book, yes?
Yes.
Oh. Ini punya siapa sih, Kak? Oh, so beautiful. Wow. This is your karya kamu ini.
Maaf.
Kelas berapa sih?
1.
Di mana
SD.
sekolahnya?